Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you that how you can overlay words in CapCut. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your CapCut app and create a project or go to the project that you have already created. Now on the bottom you will see a text icon. Click on it and you have multiple options. You can add a new text, you can add stickers, auto captions, text template, auto lyrics, or you can draw. So let's choose the add text button and you can see it's asking us to enter a description. So let's enter some text and click the check button. Now you can also resize the text by using two fingers and you can also rotate the text. Change the style of the text, click on the style button on the bottom and you can change the style of the text. And that's it. That's how you can add text overlays in CapCut. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.